The way the Sowiso content or system is structured is displayed in this diagram. On the right hand side you see the world of the users, and on the left hand side you see the world of the content. Users can have different roles like student, teacher, author or admin. They are collected in a class, and a class is attached to a school. Then the teacher decides on class level what chapters are available in his class. The chapters are written by the authors, and they belong to an authoring group, as do the exercises and the exams, which means that all content items are somehow linked back to an authoring group. Then the way we set permissions in the system is that authors are also part of the authoring group, and there can be multiple permission levels. If the author doesn't have any permission, he won't see the content in the authoring environment. If he has read and copy permission, he gets to see all content and he can copy it to his own authoring environment, authoring group, but he's not able to edit it. So he just has read and copy rights. Then if he has write access, he can actually edit everything and also delete and change everything. And then there's translation options and write not publish options for some specific cases. If you would want to collaborate with others, setting up a specific authoring group for that makes a lot of sense. That way you can yourself determine which part of the content you share and which part you don't. Our Sowiso pre-made material is all part of authoring groups that are linked one-to-one to a product. If you get a license on one of those courses, you will get read and copy authoring permission on that content, which allows you to copy over the content to your own authoring group, and then you can change everything within that content what you like. We do have one smart trick there, which is that if you actually copy a chapter, it copies the chapter structure, but not the content itself, which are the theory pages and the exercises. That way, only if you explicitly detach your content from our structure, until then, any future improvements that we make on the content, you will still benefit from them. Alright, I switched back to the authoring environment, and I'm now looking at the course in the authoring group SW Basic Math, and also authoring groups have the prefix SW. If I look into the course, I see it consists of these chapters, and if I'm, for instance, interested in one of these chapters, say algebra, I can now copy this content to my own authoring group to start editing it. I can just click copy, select the target authoring group, or demo, and then I can select content items. I can select everything or maybe just parts of it. If I hit copy, a copy will be generated for me, and everything will be visible in the authoring environment later on. So I now have my own chapter algebra, which is part of the demo authoring group, and from here I can start editing all material. If I edit the theory page, you can see that there's still a back reference to the original content. That way I get all future improvements on this theory page that Sowiso will make. If I don't want that and I want to put my own text in here, I can just detach this, and now I can start editing this. I can change the values, and from now on I've created a real proper copy of this theory page. Same applies for exercises. I can now add new exercises to this particular package. maybe remove exercises, or just add exercises from my question bank that I want to be in there as well. I can also reorder the content by drag and drop here. So by creating a copy of the content, you get full control over your chapters and the content in those chapters.